Dracula, created by Bram Stoker, has become a symbol of vampiric mythology, balancing on the edge of fear and fascination. He is a character in whom horror and desire intertwine in a deadly dance, and his mesmerizing power attracts victims as effectively as it terrifies. He is not only a monster, but also the personification of seductive terror, a being who loves to hunt, but does so with cold elegance, slowly, with almost theatrical refinement. On the knife's handle, in the engraving by Thai master Mt.Chimwai, one can see an echo of this classic tale. A setting straight out of Gothic castles, the ominous glow of the moon, and Dracula himself, leaning over his victim, immersed in a mixture of ecstasy and dread. It is a scene that reflects the fundamental dualism of this character, the irresistible attraction and the mortal danger that his cursed existence brings. This magnificent, gold-adorned hand-engraved knife, like Dracula, combines lightness and strength, precision and uncompromising effectiveness. This unique piece is not just a tool. It is an object that tells a story. Stories of night hunters, of a shadow spreading its wings over the world, of beings that evoke admiration and terror in one.